NYC, a city of dreams and aspirations. But it was not always this way. In the middle of 20th century, a dark cloud hung over the city. This wasn't a rain cloud. It was smoke, thick, shocking smoke. The air was heavy with dangerous pollutants. Factories and power plants pumped out smoke. Cars added to the toxic fumes. It was hard to breathe. People coughed, their eyes stung. Then came the killer smokes of 1953 and 1966. The smoke was so bad, it was so hard to see anything. A lot of people died breathing the polluted air. Hundreds of lives were lost. The situation was dire. Something had to change. The air was slowly killing city and its people. A turning point came in 1970, a year that would mark a significant shift in environmental policy. The United States passed the Clean Air Act, a comprehensive federal law designed to regulate air emission from stationary and mobile sources. This was a landmark moment in a fight against air pollution, celebrated by environmentalists and concerned citizens alike. It showed that country was serious about tackling air pollution, setting a precedent for future environmental legislation. The Clean Air Act set limits on emissions from factories and cars, aiming to reduce the harmful pollutants that were contaminating the air. It led to the development of cleaner technologies, such as catalytic converter for cars, which significantly reduced the vehicle emissions. Slowly, the air began to clear, and the once smoke-filled skies over cities like New York began to show signs of improvement. Another victory came in 1994 when New York City took a bold step further in improving air quality. New York City closed its municipal waste incinerators, which had been significant sources of air pollution. These incinerators were major polluters, releasing harmful toxins into the air affecting health of nearby residents. They were located in poor neighborhoods, disproportionately affecting low-income communities and contributing to environmental injustice. This closure was a win for environmental justice, as it addressed the inequities faced by this community. The Clean Air Act and the closure of incinerators were important steps in the ongoing effort to improve air quality and protect public health. They showed that change was possible and the concerned effort could lead to significant environmental improvements. The air of New York City was getting better, a testament to the power of effective legislation and community action. Today, the air of New York City is much cleaner than it was 50 years ago, thanks to the significant efforts. This is thanks to the Clean Air Act and the other environmental efforts. The levels of harmful pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide have dropped significantly over years. But the fight against air pollution is not over. Air pollution is still a significant problem in New York City. The city still has some of the highest asthma rates in the entire country. The main pollutants today are ozone and fine particulate matter. Ozone is a gas that forms on hot sunny days. It can damage the lungs significantly. Fine particulate matter is made up of tiny harmful particles. These particles can get deep into lungs and cause serious health problems. Challenges on the horizon, climate change, and environmental justice. This section delves into the pressing issues that New York City faces as it grapples with the dual crisis of climate changes and environmental justice. New York City faces new challenges in the fight for clean air. The city's dense population and heavy traffic contribute significantly to the air pollution, making it a critical area of concern. The climate change is a major threat. It is causing more frequent and severe weather events, such as hurricanes and heat waves, which have devastating impacts on both environment and human health. Hotter temperatures will lead more ozone pollution. This not only affects the air quality but also exacerbates respiratory conditions. Environmental justice is another important issue. It focuses on ensuring that all communities, especially marginalized ones, have equal protection from environmental hazards. People of color and low-income communities in New York City are disproportionately exposed to the air pollution. These communities often lack sources to advocate cleaner environments. They often live near highways, bus depots, and other sources of pollution. This proximity increases their risk of health issues, including asthma and other respiratory diseases. These challenges require urgent action. Policymakers, activists, and community members must work together to create effective solutions. A breath of hope towards a cleaner future for NYC. The future air quality of New York City depends on choices we make today. Every small action counts, from reducing waste to conserving energy. If we act now, we can create a cleaner, healthier future for all workers. Imagine parks filled with children playing and families enjoying the fresh air. The city is already taking steps in the right direction. New policies and initiatives are being implemented to ensure a sustainable future. It has set ambitious goals to reduce greenhouse gas emission. Solar panels are being installed on rooftops, and buildings are being retrofitted with sustainable energy systems. It is investing in renewable energy. Wind turbines and solar farms are becoming common sight, contributing to greener cities, and it's working to improve public transportation. Individuals can also make a difference. Simple actions like recycling and participating in community gardens can have big impact. And we can also teach our children about the importance of protecting our environment. Education is the key to ensuring the future generation continue the fight for a cleaner planet. The fight for clean air is a marathon, not sprint. Long-term projects and consistent efforts are essential for achieving goals, but together we can create a future where all New Yorkers can breathe easy. A city where clean air is norm and everyone is enjoying healthier, happy life.